Straight Talk hotspots not appearing on your devices? The two most common culprits are SSID broadcast issues and Wi-Fi band incompatibilities. The SSID network name might be hidden, preventing devices from seeing it. Also, newer hotspots often default to the faster 5 GHz band, which older devices might not support. As of September 2025, Straight Talk's app includes an advanced hotspot settings feature where you can check if SSID broadcast is enabled and manually select the 2.4 GHz band for wider compatibility. Recent firmware updates, April 2025, have aimed to fix these visibility bugs, so make sure your hotspot is up to date through the Straight Talk My Account app. Access your Straight Talk hotspot settings through the app. Verify that SSID broadcast is enabled. If it's off, turn it on. Check the Wi-Fi band setting. For older devices, switch to 2.4 GHz band. Restart both your hotspot and the connecting device. Check for firmware updates in the Straight Talk app. For example, a rural user with a 2.4 GHz only device needed to switch bands in the app. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. This erases custom settings. AI-assisted diagnostics in the app can automatically detect and fix issues.